In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to set up TikTok Live Studio for gaming. Whether you are streaming full screen gameplay or adding a face cam, this guide has you covered. First, you'll need to download TikTok Studio. You can navigate to this one website, click on the option Download for Windows, and then install it. Once downloaded, launch it, provide your credentials, and log into your account. Once logged in, at the left corner, you're gonna find this section of sources. Click on the plus icon, select Game Capture, and click Add. From here, you can choose to capture any full-screen game or a specific game running on a PC. Make sure to check compatible mode and capture cursor, then click Add Source. Your game will now appear in the preview window. You can resize and adjust your gameplay window however you like. For full screen, just drag the edges until it fills the screen. For portrait or customized layouts, adjust the frames to fit your style. If you want to show your face while gaming, click Add Source again and select Camera. Add your webcam and position it wherever you want, usually in the top right or top left corner for landscape mode. Resize it to match your stream layout. Once your game and camera are set up, you are ready to go. Hit Go Live button in TikTok Live Studio and start streaming your gameplay directly to your audience. And that's it. That's how to set up TikTok Live Studio for gaming. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.